In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor your default editor on your WordPress site. This process is straightforward, but it does involve a bit of coding, so let's walk through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, you'll need to access your WordPress site's theme folder. This is where all the files that control the look and functionality of your website are stored. Start by opening the WP content directory, which is located within your main WordPress folder. This directory contains all your themes, plugins, and uploads, and it's really the heart of your WordPress setup. Once you're in WP content, navigate to the themes folder. This is where you'll find the folder for your currently active theme. Open that folder to proceed. The file we're interested in here is called functions.php. This file is crucial because it allows you to add or change functionality in your theme without having to alter core WordPress files. Use a code editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or any text editor you're comfortable with to open functions.php. We'll be editing this file, so it's important to use a reliable editor to avoid any mistakes. Once you have the file open, scroll down to the bottom. Adding code here will help minimize the risk of interfering with existing code. Be sure when you're adding your code that you maintain the structure of the file. This means avoiding duplicate opening or closing PHP tags, which can cause errors on your site. Now, insert the code to change the default editing behavior to Elementor. It's crucial that you add this code cleanly and check for any unnecessary spaces or syntax errors. Once you're satisfied with your changes, go ahead and save the file. With that done, return to your WordPress admin dashboard. Here, you'll want to check to make sure that Elementor has been set as the default editor. To do this, go to Pages or Posts and click Edit on an existing item. If everything went well, Elementor should automatically open up as the editor for this post or page. To double-check, create a new page. As it should now, Elementor will load without you having to select it. This confirmation means you've successfully set Elementor as your default editor. It's a small change that can make a big difference in the efficiency of your site editing. And that's it. You're done. By following these steps, you've set Elementor as your default editor, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your WordPress editing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.